Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to install BeeTV on iPhone. So let's start. Surely following this step you will do it. So the first method is sideload via Alt Store. This no need jailbreak. So install Alt Store on your computer, Windows or Mac from altstore.io. Connect your iPhone via USB and trust the device. Open Alt Server on your PC Mac and install Alt Store on your iPhone. So you have to download BeeTV IPA from the true source. Open Alt Store on iPhone, tap My Apps, Plus, and select the BeeTV IPA. Trust the apps on Settings, General, and VPN and Device Management. Launch BeeTV and start streaming. So the second method is jailbreak and install via Cydia Advanced User. So you have to have jailbreak your iPhone, iPad, and using tools like Chakra, One, and Uncover. Open Cydia or Cyleo and add the Habak repo. Search for BeeTV and install the tweak IPA. Respressing your device and open BeeTV from home screen. So as you can see, you have two methods here for do it. I hope one of these methods helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.